All right, everyone. So today I wanted to do a video about one of my favorite pieces of software. It's open source and it's called n8n. n8n is awesome. It's a workflow builder and workflow engine, and it's especially good at AI workflows and also building AI agents. I am in this almost daily. I use it a lot for marketing, as well as a lot for building out MVPs and testing out workflows before building them in code. I think it's a great tool for developers to quickly prototype things, and it's also a great tool for non-developers to really get the power of building out your own workflows and being able to work with AI from the API. So the way that I think is best to self-host this is called Railway. Railway is an awesome platform. It basically gives you great developer experience and allows you to easily self-host things like n8n and other Docker images. Railway, I think, has a lot of really strong benefits to it, which I'm going to talk about as we go through. So if you look at the pricing, you can see there's a pro plan and a hobby plan and then enterprise. The pro plan is awesome, and I use the pro plan for myself and our team. I'm running quite a few instances you'll see on here, and it's great. The hobby plan, I think, is great for if you're a solo developer or a small team and just want to get started with having your own self-hosted version of n8n. Let me sign in real quick. I signed in with GitHub, but you can also sign up with your email. Once you sign in, you won't have this set up, but you'll see here, you'll probably, when you sign up, you'll need to select a plan and start paying. But once you're in, then you can create a new project, and then you'll click deploy from a template. And then the first template, the most popular, is n8n with workers, and that's important, and we'll talk about that. So you can see what we're going to get with this deployment is the primary instance, which is the actual like n8n instance that you'll log into. Then a worker, which handles the connection between the databases and the n8n instance. And then these are the two databases you'll get. So you'll get a Redis database. It's a key value pair database, and it allows us to run production workloads and not have to worry about getting double requests at the same time, that type of thing. It will queue our requests for us and easily funnel it into our n8n to make it more durable. And then the Postgres database is the backend and the backup for the n8n instance. And so this will allow us to redeploy our n8n and still save all of our data with the Postgres. So we'll click deploy and let it go. All right, great. So everything deployed in our n8n instance. So this green check mark means that it's all up and running. So if we click into primary, that's our actual n8n live instance on the internet. You can go to settings, and then you'll be able to click on the URL for this n8n instance. And so once you go to the URL of your n8n instance, you can just create your account. This will happen every time you make a new self-hosted n8n application. And so I'll just fill in my information. And then once you log in, you can just hit get started. And then this is important. You'll want to make sure that n8n sends you your free license key. And then you'll go into settings and then usage and plan, and then make sure to click enter activation key. And then you'll just paste it in right there. That will give you full access to all the powers of n8n on your self-hosted version. And then now that that's set up, you're good to go. You can start building and creating a workflow, which is the basics of n8n. And we'll do some more videos on this and what exactly this will look like. But you can see it's all working, ready to go. And we have a whole queue system and a Postgres database to make sure everything gets saved and to make sure that we can hit this with production workflows, and we'll be good to go. So if we hop back into Railway, I'll just walk through a couple more things. So you'll see below our domain, we can actually add a custom domain. So for instance, you could do n8n.yourdomain, whatever domain you own, .com, and then we'll be able to set it up. And what you'll do is just add a CNAME with n8n or whatever other subdomain you want, and then paste in the value on Cloudflare, GoDaddy, Namecheap, whatever you use for your domain. And then that will set up automatically for you. And then the last thing that's important is, n8n is a very big project, and they have updates daily. And so it's important to stay up to date and to make sure you get all the new nodes that you can use. And so in order to update on Railway, it's super easy, which I think is one of the major benefits of using Railway for n8n. You just click on the primary instance, which will be right here, click the 3 dots, and then you'll click redeploy. And so you'll see our old instance is what's still active, so there'll be no downtime. And then it's redeploying, and it's built in n8n so that when it redeploys, it updates the instance for you, and then it will switch this to be the active instance now. And so you'll be all updated and ready to keep going. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching.